10 Best Natural Ways to Whiten Teeth at Home in a Day and Keep Healthy Gums. Are you among the many people who desire to have a brilliant white smile but are uncertain about how to attain it? You're not alone. Research conducted by the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry reveals that a significant number of individuals aspire to have a whiter and brighter set of teeth. It's no wonder that there is a surge in popularity for different teeth whitening treatments. With that said, let's explore 10 methods that can help you achieve a brighter smile. 1. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda is widely utilized as an ingredient in toothpaste due to its inherent teeth whitening attributes. With its gentle abrasiveness, baking soda is effective in removing teeth stains, while also creating an alkaline environment that makes it difficult for bacteria to thrive in the mouth. Although the whitening effects of baking soda may not be immediate, noticeable results can be observed after a short period of time. Studies have demonstrated that toothpastes that incorporate baking soda are more effective at whitening teeth compared to those that do not. Preparing and utilizing the baking soda remedy is a straightforward process. Simply purchase baking soda from a nearby grocery store, mix 1 teaspoon of it with 2 teaspoons of water, and apply a small amount of the resulting paste onto your toothbrush to brush your teeth. You may repeat this process several times throughout the day. 2. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide possesses inherent bleaching properties, and can effectively eliminate oral bacteria while also contributing to teeth whitening. Many of the teeth whitening products available online and in stores comprise a considerably high concentration of hydrogen peroxide. Research has demonstrated that toothpaste infused with 1% hydrogen peroxide and baking soda can produce significant teeth whitening effects. Additional research indicates that brushing twice a day with toothpaste containing hydrogen peroxide and baking soda can lead to a 62% improvement in teeth whiteness within a mere 6 weeks. It is worth noting that high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide can result in gum irritation, painful sensations, and even the risk of cancer. Therefore, it is advisable to utilize it in low concentrations, preferably as a pre-brushing mouthwash, to avoid any adverse effects. Hydrogen peroxide concentrations between 1.5% and 3% are considered to be the safest range. In addition to utilizing hydrogen peroxide as a mouthwash, you can also mix it with baking soda to create a paste for brushing your teeth. To prepare the paste, simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. 3. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar not only functions as a disinfectant, but also as a natural cleaning agent capable of eradicating oral bacteria, and even serving as a teeth whitening solution. It is worth emphasizing that frequent utilization of apple cider vinegar may lead to enamel erosion and weaken your teeth. To safeguard your teeth from potential harm, a recommended approach is to employ apple cider vinegar as a monthly rinse, which entails diluting it with water and swishing the solution around in your mouth for a few minutes. Moreover, it is important to rinse your mouth with water following the use of apple cider vinegar mouthwash. With consistent utilization, apple cider vinegar can lead to teeth whitening results after a few applications. 4. Activated charcoal. If you are seeking a simple and cost-effective approach to naturally whiten your teeth, activated charcoal may be a viable option. Activated charcoal has the ability to remove impurities from the teeth. Activated charcoal is similar to regular charcoal, but it is specifically designed for medicinal use. It is produced by heating charcoal using gas to create sizable pores that can trap various substances. Activated charcoal is a tasteless and odorless substance that is considered safe for teeth whitening purposes. Nevertheless, it is essential to exercise caution when using activated charcoal on your teeth and avoid excessive scrubbing to prevent enamel erosion. When utilizing activated charcoal, it is recommended to gently brush your teeth to prevent chipping, scratching, or damaging the enamel. It is advisable to avoid using activated charcoal if you have an open cut, wound, or abrasion in your mouth. To utilize activated charcoal for teeth whitening, start by crushing a charcoal tablet into a powder. After pulverizing it into fine particles, wet your toothbrush with water, then dip it into the crushed charcoal particles. After wetting your toothbrush and dipping it into the crushed charcoal particles, proceed to brush your teeth with the activated charcoal. You can leave the charcoal mixture on your teeth for approximately 3 minutes before rinsing it out thoroughly. Over time, your teeth will naturally become whiter. 5. Powdered milk and toothpaste. Powdered milk may seem strange, but it is actually an effective method to achieve white and healthy teeth. To achieve pearly white and healthy teeth, you can mix a small amount of powdered milk with your regular toothpaste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. After brushing, make sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly. Over time, you'll notice that your teeth will appear whiter than before. 6. Coconut oil pulling with baking soda. Oil pulling is a well-established and verified approach that eradicates bacteria and plaque, resulting in brighter and whiter teeth. It can be considered a highly efficient technique for achieving teeth whitening within a day. Moreover, natural coconut oil not only acts as an organic antibacterial but also helps combat gum disease. The process is quite simple. You just have to take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 5 to 20 minutes, similar to how you would use mouthwash. After spitting out the coconut oil, you can apply baking soda onto your toothbrush and proceed to brush your teeth. Baking soda's abrasiveness will aid in removing surface stains, as demonstrated earlier. 7. Essential oils whitening toothpaste. There are various ways in which coconut oil can be utilized to achieve varying degrees of teeth whitening, making it a potent natural method for achieving this goal. To make a toothpaste for whitening teeth using essential oils, you simply need to combine equal amounts of peppermint oil, coconut oil, spearmint essential oil, baking soda, and cinnamon bark oil. Once you have made this toothpaste, you can use it to brush your teeth at least twice a day, and witness its potent teeth whitening effect. It is worth noting that the mint oil is added primarily to enhance the toothpaste's taste. 8. Turmeric whitening toothpaste. The primary constituents of this toothpaste are turmeric powder, spearmint essential oil, natural coconut oil, and a few drops of peppermint oil. The combination of turmeric powder and coconut oil is highly effective in removing plaque with ease. In addition, they possess antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which not only help in teeth whitening but also keep your gums healthy. 9. Baking soda and strawberry paste. Malic acid, found in strawberries, is commonly used in dental products to aid in teeth whitening and surface stain removal. In addition, baking soda's abrasiveness makes it effective in removing discoloration. To make this paste, all you have to do is crush a large strawberry and mix it with half a teaspoon of baking soda until it forms a smooth blend. Afterward, apply the mixture onto your teeth, leaving it on for 5 minutes before rinsing it off. You can then use baking soda or your regular toothpaste to brush your teeth and eliminate any remaining berry residue. 10. Banana peels. Banana peels contain a significant amount of minerals, including manganese, potassium, and magnesium, which are absorbed by the teeth, resulting in whitening. To utilize this method, gently rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for approximately 2 minutes. Following this, you can brush your teeth with baking soda or your regular toothpaste to remove any remaining residue from the banana peel. How to take full advantage of whitening effects. Every teeth whitening method must follow the time on teeth rule. With the exception of abrasive techniques that remove stains by buffing them away, both natural and conventional bleaching methods rely on time to eliminate stains from teeth. This is why many commercial whitening toothpaste products are not effective, as they do not spend enough time on teeth to accomplish the whitening task. Therefore, regardless of the method you choose, make sure it remains on your teeth for a few minutes before rinsing or brushing to achieve the desired effect. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.